Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials, which iPad and iOS you have, and that there's enough free storage. Once done, force quit the YouTube app and relaunch it to clear temporary issues. If that fails, restart the iPad and try toggling airplane mode for 5 to 10 seconds to reset radios. Make sure your Wi-Fi network is stable, switch to another network, or use cellular if available to isolate connectivity versus device problems. Once initial checks are done, focus on the network and the app itself. If other devices stream fine, reset network settings on your iPad and re-enter Wi-Fi credentials to clear corrupt network profiles. Next, update YouTube or delete and reinstall it to remove bad app data. Also clear Safari and app cache where possible. Make sure any VPN, ad blocker, or custom DNS is disabled because those often interrupt video loading. Then retest Playback immediately. To finish, update iOS to the latest release after backing up to iCloud or Finder, because system fixes often resolve Playback bugs. If problems persist, perform a full restore using DFU mode, which reinstalls firmware and software. This is a last resort. Once restored, sign back in and test YouTube before restoring other data. If you still see the error, try signing in with a different Apple ID or a guest profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.